This is Tutor Nick P, and this is Lesson 68. Today we're going to look at the difference between nauseous and nauseated. Yeah, I've had students sometimes ask me, what's the difference between nauseous and nauseated? And this one was really tough to answer in class. And the more I thought about it, I said, well, they really do seem almost the same. And as I did research on it, I found out, well, they could both be used to mean the same thing. So let's take a look at all of these four, and then I'll try to clarify it. Look at nausea by itself first, which is the desire to throw up. That's the feeling of the desire that you want to throw up. Nauseated comes from the verb to nauseate, which means to start to feel, to begin to feel like you want to throw up. Nauseating is something that causes somebody to feel nausea. Yeah, a lot of the times when you have things with the ing at the end, it means it's the thing that causes it. So nauseating is the stimulus that makes you, that this is what caused you to have this feeling to begin with. All right, what is nauseous? Nauseous can mean both nauseated or nauseating. This is where the confusion comes in. So how did this happen? The more I kind of researched on it, it seems like nauseous is one of those words that over time, its meaning kind of changed. I think originally it was supposed to mean nauseated, but over time, more and more people started using it more like nauseating, to the point that I think most dictionaries just gave in and said, well, both are okay. And to be honest, I think most of the time I've heard it used, I think it's more like nauseating. But I found out the original meaning was supposed to be more like nauseated. Okay, good. So let's look at these examples. That patient is experiencing nausea. That's the first one. That's easy. That's the desire to want to throw up. That bad news is starting to make me feel nauseated. All right, remember, nauseated comes from the verb nauseate, which means that you're beginning to feel nauseous. Nauseating. All right, so let's look at number 3. It was really nauseating to see that child pick his nose and put it in his mouth. Yeah, this is what caused you to start to have this feeling. The child picking his nose, and you're looking at it like, ugh, oh my God. This is what caused it. This was the stimulus, so that is nauseating. All right, so let's look at 4 and 5. Now, 4 and 5 cover both of these, because we can use nauseous to mean both of these. That terrible odor is making me feel nauseous. All right, this would be more similar to nauseating, which means something, something that's causing you. Nauseating, something that's causing you to feel nauseous. This is what's setting it off. That bad odor is setting off the feeling of you wanting to. So that terrible odor is making me feel nauseous. Okay. And here's an example of where it could be more like nauseated, make you start to feel. That is really nauseous medicine, meaning that this medicine starts you to have this feeling of vomiting or wanting to throw up. So I hope that clarifies it. Actually, it's easier in your mind to think that nauseous can actually get away with meaning both. Okay, so here probably your focus should be more on these other 3, so that you can see the difference between all of them. Well, I hope that clarifies it. Thank you for your time.